Globally, green tea is one of the most consumed and liked beverages by the world due to its unlimited benefits and positive results on overall health. Numerous tea types are brewed from the dried leaves of a bush named camellia, but herbal tea is different. The production of herbal tea or green tea inculcates heating, rolling, and drying of the leaves to preserve and maintain the freshness of healthy leaves. Sencha green tea is the most popular green tea in Japan, and the production undergoes a relatively less processed type of tea. Therefore, it contains the maximum antioxidants and healthy polyphenol. In today's video, we will find out some of the essential health benefits of green tea. Number 1. Prevents cancer. Since green tea is high in polyphenols, it is beneficial in fighting against various ailments and damaged cancerous cells. The different types of cancer entail breast, lungs, colorectal, esophageal, ovarian, bladder, skin, stomach, etc. Number 2. Green tea heart benefits. Research on the benefits of green tea consumption is associated with reduced cardiovascular disease. Its effects were observed on 40,000 Japanese. They were in their life and continue to be kept under observation for 11 years. The results revealed that the participants who drank 5 cups per day had a considerably reduced menace of a cardiac attack or other heart problems than those who drank 1 cup of green tea per day. Number 3. Overflow of antioxidant. Green tea is abundant with antioxidant and fights against inflammation. According to research, it is proved to have a maximum of flavonoids based on plant-derived chemicals. It serves to act as a reservoir against premature aging. It supports as a proactive guard against cell damage and plays a significant role in averting various chronic diseases. Number 4. Improves immunity. The antioxidants in green tea pave the way to antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral effects that play an essential role in boosting immunity. Its antibacterial potential kills the bacteria which causes bad breath. Number 5. Detoxification. Its antioxidant property serves to detox and flush unwanted minerals out of the body. It is very useful to cure acne and other problems related to oily skin. The acne is mainly caused by the excess amount of secretion of sebum, which makes the skin oily. It is anti-androgenic and reduces the production of sebum, eventually controls acne. Number 6. Anti-inflammatory of skin disease. Dandruff and psoriasis is a condition that is characterized by dry skin cells fall off the scalp. It occurs due to inflammation and over the production of skin cells. The consumption of green tea reduces the growth of these cells, provided with its anti-inflammatory capabilities. Number 7. Strengthens the bones. It is a polyphenol-rich beverage and it fights against the weakening of bones. It promotes bone mineral density and prevents osteoporosis and bone fracture. Number 8. Green tea and weight loss. The benefits of green tea concerning weight loss cannot be overlooked. It improves metabolism, which stimulates the fat to burn and hence aids in the weight loss journey. Lower cholesterol. A study on the benefits of green tea reveals that its consumption has a strong effect on bringing down the bad cholesterol level. Number 9. Improves retaining and recognition. Research suggests that the moderate consumption of green tea helps in improving cognitive functions, especially improves memory. It assists in treating dementia, a cognitive impairment caused by neuropsychiatric disorders. It prevents mental disorders known as Alzheimer's disease. Number 10. A nutritious beverage. A cup of green tea without added sugar is a zero-calorie beverage. As compared to black tea, it possesses a very slight amount of caffeine but gives you freshness and brilliance to your mood in the same way. However, the maximum benefits are achieved with moderate consumption of green tea per day. An excess intake may lead to dryness, diarrhea due to increased bowel movements, vomiting, and anemia, blood pressure, or liver diseases.